Hey everybody, it's Uptown Swing, level 1-8 count.
Val and Peter.
We did double turns today. They go like this. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. We came back and I catch my partner, we could do it again. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. Catch your partner. You could do it again. In fact, you could do a little reverse on there if you want. Rock, triple step, psych. Try it again. And who, hey, ha, Just the solo practice for that one time. You want to do it that way, and I'll do it that way. Like you over there. We'll do the solo turn. Solo practice for the turn. 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, triple step, turn, turn, triple step. Hopefully that helps something. Then we worked on
Swivels.
twist.
Yeah. So we prepped them like this. It's a 7, 8. That's how your swing out kind of ends anyways. So it's 7, 8, 1, 2. We talked about how it's not just the knee. Everything twists here and put your butt behind you. You are not twisting like this. You want to twist like this. Yeah? You can practice on your own. Just do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the basic, an 8 count basic, it's 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In the swing out, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2.
Looks so good. Leaders, we talked about just that nice hold where we get that nice opening. And when this hand is involved, it's just agreeing with that nice opening. We'll do more next week.